everybody, and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Shellie Geigle with J&S Hobbies and Crafts. Thank you for joining me today. I have an announcement. So for the past year, I have been contemplating about shutting J&S Hobbies down, the website and our store. And I'm finally ready to make that move. There are so many different avenues that I want to explore in the crafting community, and I have been over the past year kind of doing stuff, word of mouth sales and stuff. So the first thing is I am liquidating everything off of the J&S Hobbies website. The link is down under the video in the description area. And one thing I want to point out is on my website, sometimes the USPS calculator has a very hard time registering the correct shipping amount. So anybody that's overpaid on shipping will be refunded, whether you use credit card or PayPal. That I've been fighting with that for years on my website. So a lot of you who buy from me on a regular basis, from time to time you see some refunds, and they're shipping refunds. So the good news is I'm finally ready to make that step into different things. And in future videos, I will share with you what I've been up to, and maybe it's something you want to come along, or you're just interested in learning and stuff. But I know you probably have a lot of questions right now. What about my YouTube channel? What about my tutorials that are already there, and so forth? So my tutorials will always remain free on my YouTube channel. The YouTube channel is going nowhere. That stays open. I will be putting some content on there from time to time. I don't plan on doing any tutorials anytime soon. Mostly I'm going to be doing making and selling things. Of course, I have my album, so I'll come on in and show you what I've made and for inspiration and whatnot from time to time. But I'm kind of taking a different swing. I had gotten the Cricut Maker 3 and have been just exploring and having a good time with that. And also a sublimation printer, so I've been doing a lot of different things over the past, oh gosh, year and selling them on the side to the community and word of mouth around here. But I'm ready to do something a little bit different, and that's what I want to do for a little while. All right, so the tutorials, I said, they'll always be free for you there, and the channel will stay up. Now, because I'm shutting down the hobby store, there are emails underneath those tutorials. Those still will be working because we have different departments in J&S Hobbies that I'll still be accessing those emails for now until I can get everything switched over to my other work email. So that email's fine. If I go and change my email and you need cutting guides, I will do a video and give you that. A lot of you already have my personal email address that I gave when I did a de-stash of some of my craft supplies. And you know, I don't check that email too often, so please use the email under the videos for now. So other than that, if you have any questions or comments, please leave them underneath the video. I'd love to hear from you all, and I'm really excited in taking this next step. Now, whether it goes anywhere, I don't know. I've had a long-standing Etsy account, store. I haven't used it in what, 10, 11, 12 years. And I plan to ramp that back up and use that as my outlet to selling some stuff, or, you know, and if it doesn't work, it doesn't work. I'll find other avenues. But I did want to make this announcement, and in case you have any questions, please feel free, ask me. And most importantly, it is a first come, first serve on J&S Hobbies website right now. Under the video in the description link, you will find it there. Be sure to check all the categories. There may be things that are miscategorized, maybe a diamond in a rough in there for you, but you will find the Stamperia, Mente, everything is anywhere from 40 to 80% off a lot of stuff. But everything is marked down, ready to go, and happy crafting, everybody, and I'll be touching base with you soon again. Bye for now.